Hi, I'm Corey Pollard. Welcome to my website. Today we're going to talk about how long you have to report a work accident and injury to your employer. Now, as we get started, I can tell you that nothing frustrates me more than when an injured worker is denied benefits because of a procedural rule. And giving notice and reporting your accident to your employer is a procedural rule that often comes into play. In Virginia, you have 30 days from the date of accident to report your accident and injury to your employer in writing. If you fail to do so, and if your employer doesn't have actual notice of the event, then you may be barred from receiving any type of benefit. This includes lifetime medical treatment, wage loss benefits, permanent partial disability benefits, vocational rehabilitation services, and mileage and transportation costs to and from doctor's appointments. And if you forfeit those rights, then there's little chance that you'll receive a fair workers' compensation settlement. So when you get hurt, make sure that you complete a written accident report right away. And if you're unclear on what you should include, then you can either call me at 804-251-1620 or 757-810-5614, or visit my website, cpollardlaw.com, for a template of things to include in your written accident report. And before you turn it over, make sure that you get at least 2 copies for your own records. Now, let's say that you don't turn in a written accident report, or that your employer doesn't have any such form. Then email or text your employer, and always keep copies so that you can hand those over to your attorney if notice comes into dispute. You can also file a claim for benefits right away with the Workers' Comp Commission, because that will also serve as notice and trigger a number of other procedural items and documents that your employer and its workers' comp insurance carrier will receive. If you have any questions about the notice requirement or how long you have to report a work accident and injuries, call me today. And remember, even if you think the injury is minor, even if you think your pain and symptoms will go away, and even if you want to tough it out because you're worried about losing your job, make sure you protect your rights and report your work accident and all injuries immediately in writing.